Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. In the first step, simply go to search bar and type your control panel. Then click here to open it. On this window, select view by as large icons. Then just scroll down and search for the programs and features. Click here to open it. Then click on turn Windows features on or off. Once we are here, we need to uncheck some folders, for example Hyper-V. Uncheck this one, then just scroll down and search for virtual machine platform. So here you will get this virtual machine platform. We need to uncheck this one. After that, search for Windows Hyper platform, then uncheck this one also, and then scroll down for Windows Sandbox. We need to uncheck this one also. After that, the last, uncheck this one, Windows Subsystem for Linux. Just uncheck these 5 items, then click on OK. It will try to search for the required files and to fix the issue. Now applying the changes. That's it guys. Now we need to restart the system and your problem will be solved and you're good to go. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.